So today is Sunday and the date is 9th of May. So since it's Sunday, so me and one of my friend Arup is going towards a waterfall, and the name of that waterfall is Amsing Waterfall in Jorabat. So we'll be going through Patrakwari. After crossing Patrakwari, we'll be reaching Satgaon, and after reaching Satgaon, we have to cross our military camp. And after crossing that military camp, we will be reaching our destination. So let's see how it goes. Today is Sunday. During this corona time, it's better to stay at home, but still, since today is Sunday, only we two of us, one of my friend Arup and me, just came to little bit relax our mind from all these negative thoughts and all these days. So how to reach near that waterfall? Chill here for half an hour and again we'll go back to clearly hear those sounds of water, very noisy. So it's a small waterfall, not too big. So you have to come around 20 kilometers from Guwahati city to reach here. So you have to cross Satgaon. After that you will reach here. So nice little waterfall, you can chill with 2 or 3 of your friends on Sunday. So as you can see here, one sibling is there inside the rock. Om Namah Shivaya. To our home. So it was a nice Sunday, well spent in this waterfall, this little waterfall, Amsing Waterfall. Hope this corona ends soon so that life becomes normal as it was before. Okay, bye bye, see you.